Hey guys, I'm recording Roblox. I'm recording Roblox, guys.
Hello, you there? Are you recording it?
Yeah.
Good. What game are you playing?
Bloxburg.
I love this game.
So do I.
I upgraded my house a lot in the other video.
I've been working on your house. None of you have seen it yet. So,
First, I just didn't have a roof, so we added. I think it costs a lot for the roof. Now you're just going to add my bedroom.
why do I have $1,043 on my shift earnings? Why do I get so much?
It matters about what motorbike you're doing.
I don't know if it does or not.
So if you're doing like an expensive one,
I just got like $100. Or like 98.
I'm still like 500 still.
See? Mine's broken. Just kidding, you can buy this thing. It costs Robux.
What? What?
It's on the, when you go to the page, you go down to where it says store, you buy the excellent employee, which is 300 Robux. And it's awesome.
Oh my god, I use most of my Robux on this. Okay, guess how much Robux I have right now?
Like 13,000.
No. I have one.
I have one.
Through the website. And
Yeah, that website didn't work for me.
oh, it didn't?
No.
What did you get through Robux?
I still have a single Robux. My mom, she bought me Robux. So, yeah.
The website, I just noticed that you can only get Robux when you have coins. And then you're trying to like redeem your Robux. You have to join the Robux group you're giving it, and then it cannot be lower than 15 rubles. Lower than, let me say, something in red. Yeah, but it actually works for me. It was pretty cool that a website does work. Wait, I just have a question. Did you have Bloxburg before?
Huh?
Did you have Bloxburg before?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you did.
I did have one of the houses built for me, like at the beginning when I first played, the Happy Home of Robloxia. But this dude, he said he would build me a house and he never did.
The college grant.
Well, he built the house, but he destroyed it because I built onto it.
Most of my customers are falling when I finish their order. They're like falling and like tripping over.
What? They aren't for me. Now watch this person and see what they do.
I have 700, 550. I just
I have 2,000.
Oh, it's happening because you worked before me.
And because I have the Game Pass.
Yeah, more money.
Excellent employee. I'm gonna end my shift here.
Are you going to end it?
Yeah. I'm gonna get my car done.
I'm gonna clap for you. Wait, can you wait for me, Alma?
I'm gonna put my car on the thing.
Oh my god. Wait, we could
It's
go
stuck.
through the people.
What?
We could go through the people.
My car is stuck.
I'm going
My
to
car is
the
stuck.
Huh?
Car is stuck.
Because you made it stuck. I'm gonna end my shift.
No. I'm just gonna park it in there. Apparently I can't. Get in. I'm going home.
So, where are we going?
To your house.
Let's see, where's my house?
It's over here. I see it, I think.
Oh, it is there.
Yay.
Yeah, I'm going to make a garage soon. If I can bike or something.
Maybe you can change the bedroom into a garage.
Nah.
Can you roommate me or something?
I'm gonna make a garage where you park your car. So let me just do a build mode.
Hey. Who's gonna get my car?
I'm sorry.
Can you set me into roommate?
No, I need more. I need more Robux. I mean, not Robux. I need
Can't
more
you?
money to buy a bike. How expensive is that bike?
And
Oh my god. No, use my windows.
I'm gonna teleport to my house. I'll be back.
I am here. Our car's done.
What is? You bought a bike?
I still have all the food you made yesterday on my table. It's lined in a perfect way that I'm going to eat because I'm starving.
We have 7 minutes until the video is over.
Ooh, the aircon is not so big. What is wrong with the aircon? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna sit and read a book.
It costs $4,800 for a bike.
Not Roblox. Money. Money. 4,000.
I'm gonna teleport my
you
car
left
to
your
me.
car.
What?
You left your car.
I know, I'm gonna respawn it here.
Oh.
So I can drive back.
How much money do you have?
I have 2,110. I'll be right back. There we go, it's recording again.
Okay, good.
What the? That will give me copyright.
my god, it's lagging so much. I'm working at the ice cream shop. You wanna come eat ice cream?
Where's the ice cream shop?
It's where the Ferris wheel is. Yeah. No. I'm just working.
I'm coming. Are you working there?
Delicious ice cream.
Are you working?
Confidence ice cream. I don't know why it's confidence.
Oh, I have something we can do in a little bit.
Huh?
We can climb Mount Everest. There's Mount Everest in this game. There's something called Mount Everest. Here. Chocolate. You didn't give it to me.
Do you like the Ben's ice cream?
Yeah. You wanna go on the Ferris wheel?
Wait for me.
Okay. I'll sit here and wait. I have the worst parking ever.
I should get vanilla because I love vanilla. Okay, let's go. What is this thing?
Yeah, we got the blue seat.
Let's eat. Ooh, I
didn't get any ice cream.
You know, there's a rule in, I don't know why, but there's like this rule in Roblox called, no dating. Like, really, like, if you look at there's like report and it says like,
Oh, I know.
like, go and report and like, you go, press escape and look in report, there's like,
and then you click type of abuse and it says, yeah,
and
I
then
know.
dating, like, oh my god, I was like, what, like, I know, right?
You know Roblox doesn't actually check the report.
I know.
There's no use of
As long as the
donating you money.
Thank you. $1
Million.
not even 10, not even 100 or $1.
I wish I could buy the 500,000 thing for 6,000 Robux.
Whoa. What thing? I'm so thirsty.
You can buy 500,000 Robux or 6,000.
Yeah, nah, I don't want to go to somewhere else. What kind of hair should I have?
I'm gonna have to end the episode in 2 minutes.
Huh?
I have to end the episode in 2 minutes.
Okay, because it's only been 50 minutes. Okay, let's find a good place to end the video.
Oh, I know an awesome spot, but it might take a few minutes to get up to the top. We have to go now. We have to go now. Let's go now. Get in.
Let's just end the video in the car.
Or on our way to the place.
Roblox, whatever it's called.
We have 1 minute.
Everest, how about we call it Row Everest?
Rovers.
One. Okay. Beep boo. Woo!
Uh-oh.
Ow.
We're stuck.
I think it's too small for a car.
No, I've driven to the top before. I actually...
So much fun. The car's going to get stuck.
Oh,
Did
no.
you try tongue twisters before?
What?
Did you try tongue twisters before?
No. Oh, yeah.
I tried it with my brother and my friend. Oh my god.
They're weird.
My brother could even say it right. And my friend too. So like,
No one can. It's hard.
like, seashell. Like, that's the like.
She sells seashells. She sells seashells by the seashore. That's the one I can always.
Like, you know, people say sea, like